It's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.